Dan Swede, August 21st, 2018. Wrapping up orders, getting things ready to go out the door. Here's a couple Platinum Plus, tandem axle trailers, dual 3500 PSI 9-gallon hot water machine. Double doors on each side. The trailer is constructed out of heavy gauge steel. Doors, frame, the hopper's aluminum. We do the opposite of the industry. We keep the, we don't use the rear hopper as a holding tank. Open top hoppers driving around the city or town is kind of ridiculous and high liability. So we actually have two tanks, one supply, one recovery tank. Supply tank's 270 gallons, and then the recovery tank is on this side. The recovery tank. We also run a 3500 hot water PSI pressure washer, 9 gallon a minute. It's got a built-on brushless high-end generator, 3000 watt, and winterizing tank. It actually comes with an extra set of inlet and high pressure hose rails. It has another high pressure reel on the back of the trailer. The package is the same style. You get a lot in the shop, so hopefully it's from a forklift off. Meanwhile, you can see there's what we call a diamond package in the back left hand corner, and another two packages here. So, welcome to sell commercial pressure cleaning systems. We manufacture cleaning solutions primarily for transportation industry, degreaser cleaners, biosecurity formulas, everything, and full service. Dan Swede Hydrochem Systems.